Ask any mechanic or automotive expert. There's nothing like cheap SUV maintenance. Still, some SUVs will cost a couple of $100 per year in maintenance, while others will cost more than $1,000 in maintenance per year. Thanks to their spacious interiors, tall ride height, and overall practicality, the SUV is currently the most popular car in America, overtaking the sedan and the most sought-after vehicle for drivers with families, with the U.S. market expected to reach $333 billion by 2025. Unfortunately, some SUVs have earned a reputation among vehicle owners for being overly expensive to maintain and repair. We compiled this list of SUVs through car forums, online parts stores, and consumer advocate platforms such as Consumer Reports, Repair Pal, and Kelley Blue Book. Range Rover, 2013 to 2017, $16,000, 10-year cost. When it comes to luxury SUVs, the Range Rover stands tall. This European SUV is synonymous with luxury, offering a combination of cutting-edge tech and impressive off-roading capabilities. But there's one problem, or two, to be specific. Some model years of the famed luxury SUV are a nightmare when it comes to maintenance and repairs. Compared to its segment competition, the Range Rover is expensive to service. Its cutting-edge tech and superior off-road capabilities mean it runs on complex systems that require specialized maintenance. Range Rover owners say a regular oil change on this luxury SUV costs about $300. BMW X5, 2011 to 2015, $18,300, 10-year cost. It's hard to ignore the appeal of the BMW X5, especially the M competition trim. This Bavarian luxury SUV combines performance perfection with luxury, making it ideal for drivers looking for comfort and race car aggression. Unfortunately, maintaining the BMW X5 costs an arm and a leg. Like most performance cars, it only uses premium synthetic oils. You'll also need to visit a BMW specialist regularly to inspect the xDrive system. Previous owners have complained of issues with the turbocharger, poor heat management, and water pump. Replacing a turbocharger at a BMW dealership could cost up to $5,000. Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2011 to 2014, $10,800, 10-year cost. It's easy to see the charm behind the Jeep Grand Cherokee. It offers a rugged off-road experience and potent engine options, including the Hemi V8. However, with all that heavy performance artillery comes steep servicing costs. The Grand Cherokee features an advanced quadralift air suspension system that needs regular servicing. Previous owners have also complained of transmission failures that cost them up to $3,800 in repairs. Porsche Cayenne, 2011 to 2016, $20,500, 10-year cost. The Porsche Cayenne is a big deal among car enthusiasts because it offers sports car performance packaged in an SUV. You'll love its precision handling and torquey engines. Unfortunately, the Porsche Cayenne can be a pain, especially if you find paying $500 for service a problem. The 2011 to 2016 models have a reputation for timing chain tensioner failure and transfer case issues. Add that to occasional coolant pipe leaks, and you're looking at repairs that cost between $2,000 and $3,500. Ford Explorer, 2011 to 2016, $9,300, 10-year cost. The ideal family car in America today is the SUV, and the Ford Explorer is a perfect choice for families. It offers a roomy cabin and spacious cargo space. Thanks to its towing capabilities, it's also the perfect rig for family excursions during summer. However, the Ford Explorer can be expensive to maintain. For instance, software updates for the MyFord Touch system can only be performed at dealerships, an additional cost. According to NHTSA, the family SUV from the Blue Oval also has a reputation for transmission issues that can cost north of $3,000 in repairs. Cadillac Escalade, 2015 to 2018, $13,500, 10-year cost. The Cadillac Escalade is such a cool SUV. Even Iron Mike Tyson owns one. Its bold design and luxury offerings are hard to resist. Better yet, a black-on-black Escalade with heavy tint will do the job if you love to make an entrance. Not many people fancy the maintenance costs of the Cadillac Escalade. Some of its complex systems, like the magnetic ride control, have hefty maintenance costs. If they fail, you are looking at a repair bill that costs between $3,000 and $5,000. Audi Q7, 2012 to 2017, $12,800, 10-year cost. Audis were made to be perfect at what they do. They offer great performance, comfort, and luxury. The Audi Q7 is all that and more. After all, it is a luxury SUV. Add the refined interior, Quattro system, and advanced tech. Drivers with families will find it hard to resist. Refined systems need regular specialized maintenance in addition to scheduled maintenance. Also, Audi Q7 models developed between 2012 and 2017 have been reported to have issues with the turbocharger and failing PCV. Fixing the PCV issue costs around $2,000 at the dealership. Volvo XC90, 2016 to 2019, $12,815, 10-year cost. Volvos have always had a good reputation, especially for safety. The Volvo XC90 is no different. It features an appealing Scandinavian design, advanced safety systems, and segment-leading fuel-efficient engines. The Volvo XC90 maintenance can be expensive when you include advanced system maintenance, which requires regular inspection, such as the Sensus infotainment. According to Consumer Reports, this Scandinavian SUV also has electrical, steering, and emergency braking issues. Getting these repaired can cost between $2,500 and $5,000. Chevrolet Suburban, 2015 to 2018, $9,500, 10-year cost. If you have a family, you'll love the Chevrolet Suburban because it offers unmatched space compared to its competition. It's the perfect family car for school, grocery runs, and even heavy-duty use. It has great towing capability. However, its V8 engine and the entire powertrain need frequent servicing, quickly increasing maintenance costs. Previous owners have complained of transmission issues that can cost up to $3,500 in repairs. Tesla Model X, 2016 to 2020, $8,000, 10-year cost. The Tesla Model X makes a great family hauler if you love electric cars. It's the car of the future, meaning you own one of the most advanced automobiles on the planet. This electric hauler is also good for the environment because it has zero emissions. You'll not find Tesla Model X tires at your regular auto shop. Also, the battery and coolant systems require regular checks. You are not free for maintenance. When it's time to replace the battery, you are looking at a quote between $10,000 and $15,000, labor not included. Cross your fingers that the Falcon Wing doors don't malfunction during your ownership. Mercedes-Benz GLE, 2016 to 2019, $15,200. No better car shows class than a Mercedes-Benz. The German automaker has outrightly won that segment of drivers. The Mercedes-Benz GLE SUV offers luxury, refinement, and a comfortable ride experience. However, on the flip side, the Mercedes-Benz GLE runs on advanced electronic and luxury features that require specialized maintenance, and it's not cheap. Furthermore, previous owners have complained of air suspension system failures and timing chain issues. Repairing these can cost up to $4,000. Land Rover Discovery, 2014 to 2018, $17,000, 10-year cost. The Land Rover Discovery is the perfect car for drivers looking to explore without feeling the effects of the elements. That means going off-road, but still enjoying luxury and modern tech. Well, that combination often translates into hefty maintenance costs on top of regular maintenance. Previous owners of the Land Rover Discovery developed between 2014 and 2018 have complained of issues with the turbocharger and air suspension. Infiniti QX80, 2015 to 2019, $11,800, 10-year cost. European and American SUVs dominate the U.S. market. If you want something unique, but with a commanding presence, the Infiniti QX80 is often a common choice. It features a robust engine and impressive towing capabilities. Unfortunately, This Japanese SUV has expensive maintenance costs thanks to its hydraulic body motion control system. Previous owners have also confessed to issues with the timing chain and persistent transmission failures, valve body replacement in forums. Repairing these can cost up to $4,500.